make a mistake. I'm so far gone, bad blood turned on. I burn to anyone in my way.
Yo.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm pulling up.
Alright. Alright, so Baca just got here. It's early in the morning, and we're gonna be making our way towards Orlando, slowly but slowly in the morning. This guy here has lost a lot of. Last time I saw you was what?
Last time you saw me, I don't know, dog. I'm just gonna send you the picture. So this is the before, and this is the after.
The plan now is we're gonna take all his stuff out of his car, throw it into the minivan. Minivan has like 600 miles of fat, so it's brand new.
It's a brand new. Oh, so you're not playing.
No, brand new minivan.
And the reason why I'm speaking like this is because I'm extremely that's Fufu in the back, so you guys can meet him. And we're gonna go pick up Grizzly right now. What time is it?
5.
It's 5 in the morning. I'm tired. I have not slept. As you can see, that's your host. That's the owner of the blog. Let's see how much can I zoom in with this shit. There he is. Oh, you got me with a Celsius?
Peach or grape?
I'll take it.
He's the guest, so what do you?
He's the guest, yeah. So he gets.
What would you want, peach or grape?
Peach, bro. For sure. Thank you.
Yeah, I guess second choice, I guess.
Let's give a tour to the minivan real quick.
We got in.
So, a lot of the times when we do these events, we do like a Dodge Caravan, and these Dodge Caravans are smoked in. There's probably stains that we don't even know about. You put a black light.
Wait,
you're gonna see a lot.
Okay. You gotta put a clip of us in New Jersey. We went to the shady ass hotel that this guy picked. It was so bad that the second night we pulled in, people were doing stuff.
Sweat. Yeah. Oh my God. So all you heard is, let your imagination do the thinking. What was it about? So
the worst part is like, how old are you?
how old am I? I'm 32 years old.
I'm 24. You had a 32-year-old and 24-year-old like on the like this. It's like, what are they doing? What are they doing?
They're probably playing patty cake and all that stuff. That's what I thought about.
Yeah, patty cake my ass.
All right, so here's a tour of the minivan. At Enterprise, they gave me a selection of all these minivans to choose from. I had to double check, making sure the one we were gonna get was clean, didn't smell, and also
Sweat and shame.
Yeah, exactly, sweat and shame. But this one's brand new. It has like 500, less than 600 miles on it. We have here in the back one of Baca's best friends. He said, "What's your name?"
Hey guys, Julio.
Julio. Where you from, Julio?
Cuba.
Cuba. Okay, what part?
Havana.
But we're gonna be going. We're gonna pick up Grizzly. Grizzly.
Surprisingly, he's
awake.
awake.
He's up.
He's awake.
And if you don't know, like a lot of times during these events and shoots, he's always sleeping. It takes us probably like 45 minutes or an hour for him to wake up.
By the way, I get like the bitter end of the stick because I always get to sleep with Chris.
Yeah.
And he snores
And
really bad.
Guess who's rooming with him next time for the invasion of Orlando?
Definitely not me because I'm taking somebody with me.
It's too bad. 3 in a room. But I also have Celsius in that cooler. I actually got to buy more Celsius. This video is not being sponsored by Celsius, but it's going to be sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber. And like I said in the last video, this is one of the newest money clips they have. And this is all made of carbon fiber. And I'm going to use it today because I want to be lightweight in the pockets. As you can see, it's made of carbon fiber. Baca, feel this.
I have a Gucci wallet and Gucci is like ass.
Here, grab this. Feel the touch of it.
Oh
How
my
light
God.
is that?
Yo, what the
It's really light.
It is.
And then you can feel the quality of the carbon fiber. It has a nice clear coat onto it. And I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions or anything about the products, leave a comment down below. And also, there's going to be a link down below too. You can purchase some of the products. You can use this discount code right over here to get yourself 10% off. All right, so thank you Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring this video.
And let me pick up my wallet because I did not get one from...
You might need that.
Way back. By the way, this guy does not speak Spanish, but he loves the Spanish music that I put on my videos.
So for some of you guys don't know, I have a lot of, I guess, Spanish or like influence in my family. My father was born and raised in Cuba.
Okay,
He's Chinese Cuban.
Okay, hold up. He's like the worst. He's like the combination. If you guys believe in God, this is like the definition of like God got tired of like making people because he just put like the most odd combination in one person.
It got
Please,
crowded in China.
go ahead and explain your ethnicity.
So, my family left communist Chinese China itself, and then before Cuba became communist, they moved to Cuba. We had family there already. Lo and behold, they got. You know, it became communist. My mother's side of the family, we are in China and also Venezuela. So my mother and father both speak 3 languages. I speak 1.5. I don't speak Spanish. I speak a little bit Cantonese and obviously English. But
He has like 7 different nationalities in him.
yeah, United Nations are going on.
So we're gonna leave you guys. We're just gonna enjoy the road trip. I'm just gonna put some music.
Yeah, we'll check in with you guys later.
Probably when there's sunlight. Or
Yeah,
probably when Grizzly pulls up.
We'll go to his house, bother him. I told him if he's not waking up, we're going to knock on the door, wake up the whole household.
Yeah. All right. See you guys in a bit.
I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender.
So we've been waiting out here probably about maybe 30 minutes. Did you go back to sleep?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, when you guys said that you weren't coming in like at 5, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, of course.
All right, so we are about 6.3 miles away from Desertland. Bach is still sleeping. Grizzly's been awake. We've been talking the whole time. You can hear the radar detector going off. But yeah, we're gonna get there. I think Loco, Miguel, and I think possibly Kevin Tips is already there. So we're gonna get food first. We gotta feed these guys, and also I gotta eat too. I'm pretty hungry. And then from there, we'll get the show started.
No worries over nickels and dimes or a 9-to-5 grind. I gotta get loose sometimes. In trouble, seeing all the signs, but it gets me high.
We just had the most healthiest meal.
Very healthy, you know. It's all right on my diet.
McDonald's.
I probably just hit my macros just with that one meal.
One meal, you had like 5 sandwiches.
Did I?
But we're literally right across the street from Desertland. So we're gonna head there now. I think some of the guys are there, and Tips have been blowing all our phones up, so it must be really important. But we'll find out when we get there.
No, he's just an idiot.
All right, guys.
We're the 2 best friends that anyone can have.
All right, guys. We just got to Desertland. We got Loco's car right over there.
No, they can't.
Obviously, Grizzly
it's my-
had
it's
1 hour
my
of sleep and
rendition.
has a lot of energy in him. But right now, we're gonna be doing a setup for Everybody's Story for Loco's car. You're not important.
Stuffing their faces full of food.
Bing bong. Welcome to Florida.
What's up?
So you guys probably seen him at the Poconos. I thought this dude was all talk saying, "Oh, I'm gonna move to Florida, yada yada."
We're here now. We're here now.
He's a little late though. A little late though.
Was yesterday
But I'm here now.
Exactly. The real question is, why Orlando, not like South Florida?
Why not?
I needed to stay away from you guys. So.
All right, we out. We out.
Why not?
So just looking at this car right here, this is Loco's car.
What do you mean?
It's Yas Marina with BBS LMRs, and it's in a unique finish. We'll have him talk about it later, but it definitely looks gorgeous.
better. Yeah. In 2010, thought I was doing something. And now I'm rapping with a crew or something. I guess the track don't really stick unless he's gluing something. And I never fit the shoe until I do or something. Yo, bracing myself like teeth, boy, it's the same old route on some new concrete. But homie, these tunes make you get a new ID. I'm trying to do my thing, but the commute ain't cheap. I'm on a 2-day week for all this rap these days. And we can still pitch the track to all the whack DJs. We're singing happy days, wearing tacky J's. And I'm just pumped that I made it out my nappy phase. Let's go. We can